Hello everyone, let us now discuss how can we solve today's LeetCode POTD. Minimum recolors to get k consecutive black blocks. We are given with a string and we are having the string with only W's and also B's. So W represent whites and B represent black. These are the blocks. Now, we are also given with an integer k, we need to return the minimum number of operations so that there will be at least one occurrence of k consecutive black blocks. Let us take an example and understand what does this question mean. We are given with k is equal to 7. Now, I need any substring or sequence. Here we are given with a sequence minimum number of operations needed such that there is at least one occurrence of k consecutive. So it means a sub array. Here we took only 6. If I take 7, this is my consecutive elements or consecutive blocks. We need to change all the whites into blacks. One white, second white and third white. So till now I got 3 whites, then I can get 7 consecutive blacks. But there is a condition that we need to return the minimum. Now let me take only 7 as into consideration. 3, 4, 5, 6 and then 7. Now, if you see the minimum number of operations here till now, let me initialize the minimum operations. The minimum operations is, I am initializing it to infinity, and the operations, the current operations are represented as whites. The number of whites are the operations that I need to perform. These whites need to be changed, right? Now I have one white, second white and third white. So the number of whites till now are 3 and the minimum operations is also 3. But when I say I need to count the number of whites, no need to count all these whites again and again. No need to iterate this window like this again. So till here I got the number of whites as 3. Now this white is removed, right? This white is removed, so I decrement my count by 1. But I got a white here at the next time, so my whites now will be 3. So this is how this algorithm works. This sliding window algorithm works. Now here also I got only 3 whites. If you see, one white here, one white here and another white here. So the number of whites are still 3 and the minimum operations no need to change as they both are same. Now I take the next window here. Here also I got the same whites as 3, so there is no need to change. Now I have 4. The number of whites here are 4 and the minimum from these two is 3 itself. So at the last I will return the 3. Now if I write the algorithm for this algorithm, I am starting my iteration with I is equal to 0 and then going till where I am going. Wait a second. I am going till here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then 9. So I am going till 10 minus k, 10 minus k, 7 plus 1. So till there I am going with my I, 10 minus 7, n minus k, n minus k plus 1. So this till here I need to go in my algorithm. So for I is equal to 0 till I am going till I is less than n minus k plus 1. But before that I will introduce my initialize my whites to 0. Now here I got one thing I need to do. If I is greater than 0 I need to do one thing. If I is greater than 0, I need to do one thing, and I need to check whether the previous character is white or not. If s of I minus 1 is equal to white, so at the time I will decrement my whites count. Now after that, here I am incrementing the count of white at which index? I am at 3. So 3 plus uh, 3 plus 7 is like 8. 3 plus 7, sorry, 10 minus 1. So I plus k minus 1. Here n minus k plus 1. So 10 minus 7, 3 plus 1, 4. Till 4, that means lesser than 4, I can go in my with my I, and the element which I need to increment if it is a white is I plus k minus 1. So let me write that condition. If s of I plus k minus 1 is equal to white, then my whites count will be incremented. So every time, as I said, I also need to increment the minimum operations need to be initialized with 0, and the minimum operations are, sorry, minimum operations are minimum operations comma whites if there is any change in the whites. So at the last I will return my minimum operations. So this is how you solve this question, and if you want the link of the submission, it is in the description. Go and check it. If you like this video, do share to your friends and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.